A very good morning, friends. I know it's been a long time that we met. I was planning to upload a few motivational clippings for you, and I thought before I do that, let me have a face-to-face interaction with my lovely students. I've been missing you a lot. You know, times have been very challenging for each one of us. Nature has shown us that there is nothing beyond nature. Let us accept nature as supreme. We are all in an evolving stage, learning new things, changing our lifestyles, and all of you would agree that it has not been very difficult for us to accept change. The only thing that is constant in this world is change, and we have to accept it. I hope good times come back soon and we are all into merrymaking and enjoying life. Life is too short for mere anxieties. Let us all work for the betterment of mankind. And your career ahead is something which bothers me. I'm not worried. I'm a bit careful when I tell you that in tomorrow's world, there are going to be a lot of opportunities for each one of you. There is going to be no shortage of jobs, but there certainly is going to be shortage of suitability. If you have suitability in you, nothing is going to be difficult for you. I have shortlisted a couple of videos for you, motivational clippings, just to remind you that it is ordinary people who do extraordinary work in life. I've been telling you this again and again. Look at Sachin Tendulkar. Look at Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Look at Jhulan Goswami. Look at P.T. Usha. Look at Shah Rukh Khan. Look at Irfan Khan, the late Irfan. They are all from very ordinary backgrounds, and they've risen so high in life that they've made a place for themselves. They have become immortals. The common feature that they had when we compare ourselves to them has been that they are as ordinary as we are. And believe me, God loves ordinary people. That is why He has made so many of us ordinary. You take any big name and you'll find that he has grabbed or she has grabbed all the opportunities that came his or her way. And that is the reason why he or she is where he or she is today. I always tell my students, you are all capable of doing 10 times, 15 times better than what you think you can do. It is just a matter of trying. And believe me, friends, my experience for the last 25 years with the student community tells me that they've always proved me wrong, in the sense when I expected X percentage of output from them, they gave me X to the power of X of output. Tremendous potential, tremendous. We are all going to encash on that, and we're going to ensure that each one of you makes your parents proud, makes your college proud, and makes this old man proud as well. With this, friends, we would now like to show you a small video. The name of the video is Zindagi Live, which enacts the real life stories of around 4 brilliant IAS officers. One is the son of a bangle seller, चूड़ियाँ बेचने वाले की बेटा है. One is the son of a cycle repairing shop owner, पंक्चर बनाने वाला एक बंदा, उसका बेटा सिविल सर्विसेज में टॉप करता है. There is one girl from Haryana whose father is a bus conductor. She becomes an IAS officer, or rather an IPS officer. These stories would certainly motivate you to ensure that if these ordinary people could rise so high in life, with all the advantages that you have, with all the facilities that you have, you too should be able to move up the ladder of success in life. We are there to help you. We are there to support you. We are there to guide you. But you have to do push-ups for yourself. I cannot do the push-ups for you. I can only put the ladder in front of you. You have to remove your hands from your pockets and climb up the ladder of success. We are there to support you. We are there to help you. And do not worry. You may fail once, you may fail twice, you may fail 5 times. Keep on trying. You will succeed the 6th time. I'm not worried if you fall down 7 times, but I'd be worried if you don't get up the 8th time. So friends, with this small pep talk, we now start with the video. Enjoy it. Take care. God bless.